Hey guys, welcome back to my Cravings channel where taste buds trigger. I'm your Pragna JH. If you're lazy today and your tummy's craving for something yummy, then I'm here with another delicious recipe. It's 5 minutes mac and cheese in a mug. Let's see how do we do it? Come with me. Fill 1/3 cup with elbow macaroni. Fill half mug with water. Microwave this for 2 minutes. You can use a glass bowl below to prevent overflowing. Now, stir it well. You can add some oil to prevent stickiness. You will get a soft texture. Microwave again for a minute. Stir it well again. Now your pasta is cooked. For it, add 3 tablespoons of milk. Add in some chili flakes and oregano. Oreganos usually contain some extra salt in it, so I prefer not to add extra salt. Add grated cheese. You can use any kind of cheese you like. Mix it up well. Now microwave for 30 seconds again. Add in some coriander leaves. Now your pasta is ready to enjoy. Like, share, comment and subscribe.